So guys, ChatGPT 5 is here, and after 2 years of Sam Altman creating hype for AGI, they still haven't been able to deliver that. But they did really good overhaul of the UI of the ChatGPT 5. So if you look at the current ChatGPT, we can see that they have changed the coloring and they have added basically a good UI. But the bad news about the free users is that you will be getting just 5 messages or 10 messages in 5 hours. Let me check what ChatGPT itself says. So I asked ChatGPT about it, and ChatGPT said that free users can send up to 10 messages every 5 hours. So just the 10 messages, 5 hours. Once you hit that limit, the system switches to the lighter GPT-5 mini model until your limit resets. So bad news for the free users, you won't be getting much from the ChatGPT 5. And if you want ChatGPT 5, you will have to switch to the paid version. That's a bad news. And there are some interesting facts that the context window for the free users is just the 8,000 tokens. That is a very small amount of tokens which you will be getting as compared to the Google Gemini. If you use AI Studio, you will be getting 1 million token context window, which is a huge token context window. You can upload like a complete code base of millions of lines to achieve that 1 million context window. And as compared to the GPT-5, you won't be getting that. And even if you move to the Plus, you will be getting just the 128K. So even if you are a pro user, you will just be getting 128K. So if for the free user, it's just like uploading 2 PDF articles. That's it. So bad news for that. As you can see, we are on the Data Camp article. That's also saying that my personal go-to, the occasional assist from Gemini for heavy context work. So if you are looking for heavy context work where you want to upload a lot of data and want to give a lot of context to your LLM model, you can use Gemini 2.5, and it is really good as well. Now let's do some testing with ChatGPT 5 free version. And the first thing I'm going to test out is that if it can generate a good logo, and let's see how much messages it requires, and if it does that in the free version. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to download the logo from my own website. Let me download the logo from my website. And I'm going to upload it and ask it to create better version of it. Let's see what we get. So I'm going to upload that. Please create 5 more good looking logos and take inspiration from the attached. Let's see what it does. Okay, it started working. Taking a lot of time. Finally, we have our image created, and just one image. I asked it to create 5 more good looking logos and take inspiration from the attach, and that's what I got. That's a plain logo with the wrong spelling and with a completely plain text format logo. I mean, it doesn't look good. So that's the first case scenario which I tested for creating or basically improving image. Maybe ChatGPT 5 is not good for that. It's a completely fail, I would say. Okay, now I'm going to test it for one more thing, which is for the Shopify CRO. If you don't know what a CRO means, meaning that conversion rate optimization specialist. So basically what that person does is analyze the product page and suggest the Shopify merchant about what are the improvements you need to make on your product page. Now we will ask ChatGPT to act as a Shopify CRO and suggest improvement of the product page. Now, one of the store which we built for one of our client recently is toysandgamers.com. Again, the layout and everything is suggested by client itself. We haven't had much control or suggestion which we have given to our client. It's just that client provided us most of the details about how the website should be, how the product page layout should be. So I'm going to take the screenshot of this product page and ask the ChatGPT to see if it suggests me any more improvement on the product page. Now, let's find a full page screenshot tool online and let's capture the full page. That's an extension. Okay. Okay, I already have this extension. I'm gonna take the screenshot of this product page. Let's take the screenshot. And if you want to add volume discount to your store, we have created an app just for you guys, which is really affordable, actually free almost, by the name of Big Bulk Discount. So that's the app where it will help you add, it will basically add the volume discount feature, which is not available in Shopify. So make sure to try that out. It's free trial available for 7 days. So you can use that completely for free on your production stores, on your stores for free for 7 days. And if you think it's adding value and increasing average order value, you can keep using it. Otherwise, simply install, right? Perfect. Here's the screenshot of our product page. And I'm now gonna attach this to ChatGPT and give some instructions about suggesting what should be the features, what should we do in order to improve the conversion rate for this product page. So I'm going to download this as an image, download the PNG. I'm going to take a new chart in ChatGPT, upload this to ChatGPT. And I already have the prompt ready. So I'm just going to paste the prompt here. Oops, that's not the prompt. So that's my prompt. Act as a Shopify CRO expert. I have attached a screenshot of my product page. Sales are lower than expected. Please provide a detailed audit of this page with 5 specific actionable recommendations to increase conversion rate. For each recommendation, explain the psychological principle behind it. Social proof, urgency. Okay, we're going to give this prompt to ChatGPT and see what we get. Nice, that's quick. It's super fast. Add authentic social proof. Good point. It should definitely have an authentic social proof where we should have 5-10 reviews, right? Strengthen urgency and scarcity signals. Correct. You have only 3 remaining, but it's small and easy to miss. Okay. Make only X left message bold, red, and closer to the X card button. Okay. Add a stock countdown bar, almost gone, only 3 left in the stock. So it's asking us to add more scarcity, which makes sense. Improve the hero image and add lifestyle shots. Okay. The single image is a flat product shot on white background and it doesn't show in real life and how it's used. Keep the main product shot. Okay, that's good idea. Enhance the free delivery offer. Free delivery is shown but not highlighted as a major benefit. We should highlight it, right? That's correct. Add a value stacked product description. Description is minimal and doesn't emotionally connect with the buyer. Parents buy for kids. Rewrite copy to highlight benefits. Keep your child's lunch. Okay. Yeah. So that is the past case scenario where it gave us the actual actionable insights or actionable items in order to work with, in order to improve the conversion of that Shopify product page. So that's a pass. Now the third case study which I have in mind is for SEO, and I also have prepared a prompt for it. So let's test it out. I'm going to create a new chart and then paste my prompt. And this prompt is about SEO. Now I'm asking it to act as an SEO strategist for a WordPress blog, assuming you have a WordPress blog about eco-friendly home living. My target pillar keyword is zero waste kitchen. Create a complete content blueprint for me. Include a catchy SEO optimized title for the main pillar post, a detailed outline for that pillar post, including H2s and H3s, 3 unique cluster content blog post ideas that support and link back to the pillar post. Example, 5 best reusable food wraps. A list of 10 long tail keywords I should sprinkle throughout this content cluster. So basically, I'm asking it to create a content cluster and help me rank for my keyword using the modern SEO techniques. This prompt which I gave is about the latest SEO techniques which we are using nowadays in order to improve the SEO ranking. Now let's give this prompt to ChatGPT 5 and see what result we get. I'm gonna hit enter to see what happens. Okay, that's quick. The one thing I would have to agree is that it's super fast. It just gives you answer in few seconds, maximum 3-4 seconds, which the thing which I have noticed. Okay, now the post which it generated is says the ultimate zero waste kitchen guide, how to reduce food waste, save money and living. So it gave us the meta description. Okay, it gave us the H1, the ultimate how to reduce. So the H1 I think is bigger than what is suggested by Google, because normally headings are not that big. It surpasses the character limit of 55, which is the suggested character limit for a title, but not bad. H2, what is a zero kitchen waste? So there's H3. Nope. So it gave us H1, then it gave us H2, then it gave us H3, then it gave us H2 again, then it gave us multiple H2. So that is not how on-page SEO works. Normally, how we would have the heading tags is like one main H1 within the 55 character limit, and we should have 2 or 3 H2s and then multiple H3s. But the hierarchy of the headings which it gave us, it's not, I would say, is the proper hierarchy for the headings. Internal, linking callout, cluster content ideas, 10 genius ways to reuse kitchen scraps that usually throw away. And now it's giving us the cluster content ideas, meaning one is the pillar content topic which we are trying to rank, and then we create multiple cluster content within the blog to rank our main pillar content. That's how the ranking basically works when we are doing on-page SEO, right? And here are the 10 long tail keywords which it is giving to sprinkle. If you want, I can map out the exact internal linking structure. So pillar, post plus cluster works together to maximize topical authority and SEO power. That's the key to ranking fast in this niche. Do you want me to go ahead and create that internal linking map? I would say it's 50-50. It gave us a good topic, and the hierarchy of the H tags, heading tags, was not good, but overall good topic, good ideas, and good long tail keywords which it gave us to sprinkle across cluster. So that's not a pass, not a fail. But out of 3 case studies, one is a complete fail, which is the image generation. Code is as a Shopify CRO, it worked well. It gave us really good suggestion on how we can improve the Shopify CRO. The third is for SEO, which was 50% pass and 50% fail. But I wouldn't say that ChatGPT 5 is an AGI. I don't think it's going to replace SEOs, marketers, or even coders. Yes, it can generate code, but having a logic, implementation, and all that kind of stuff is still missing. It's way more far away from the AGI. So that's my take. Let me know in the comments below what's your take about ChatGPT 5 and if you have tested it or not. That's it for the video, guys. Until next video, have a great day.